back later. Okay, editor, cut this scene. Today I have bring you another question. It's about swimming, so yeah, let's get started. T, J, and L swam laps in a pool. T started swimming at 3 p.m. J started swimming at 3:20 p.m. Well, L started swimming at 3:25 p.m. They all swam 2 laps per minute and stopped swimming at the same time. Altogether, they swam 240 laps. Question: at what time did they stop swimming? Utter silence. Do you know what the answer is, guys? Well, I'll tell you. So overall, this very confusing question is confusing me by laps and minutes. I'm having a brain drop. Okay, so first of all, there are 3 people, T, J, and L. And they started swimming at different times. T is the earliest and L started swimming last. So overall, we can find that L swam the least laps. So if we're drawing a graph, which we are, then we're going to make L 1 minute, which we will. See? I wasn't lying. Now, first of all, we see T and L's difference to find how much more T is than L. So T take away L. The difference is 25 minutes. But that's minutes, not laps. We want laps. And it says they swam 2 laps per minute. So this is the sum of T take away L, which equals 25 times 2 laps, which makes 50 laps. So now we know that Mr. T, I like calling T, Terry, Mr. T swam 50 laps more than L. Now, the final person, J. First of all, it says J started swimming at 3:20 and L started swimming at 3:25. And now, 3:25 take away 3:20 equals 5 minutes. So we can write 5 minutes down here. To find the difference between J and L, we do this. J take away L, which makes 5 minutes multiplied by 2, which makes 10 laps. So the final person, J, has the amount L swam, but 10 more laps. Now, the final step is this key thing. Altogether, they swam 240 laps. So the total must be 240. We see the extra parts that are not 1 unit, which is 50 and 10. Now we know that 50 plus 10 equals 60. So we can do total take away 60, which makes 240 take away 60, which is 180. So we know that 3 units added together is 180. So to find 1 unit, we do 180 divided by 3, which equals 60. Wow, cool, right? Now it says, at what time did they all stop swimming? So we must remember that L is 1 unit, our base, and 2 laps per minute, our savior. So we can do this beautiful question. It says 2 laps per minute. This is 60 laps, not 60 minutes. So we have to do the answer by finding 60 laps divided by 2, which makes 30 minutes. So now we know our answer. 3:25 added to half an hour, or if you prefer, 30 minutes, which makes 3:55, which is the great B. So yeah, that's it. It's bye from me and the weird people at the times. So bye, like and subscribe.